This is Jeff DeQuest of Boatshed, Norfolk, and we're currently looking at the Mark II Hampton Safari. Very, very popular boats, these. Look at the bow at the moment. We're going down the starboard side. As you can see, there's some little bit of paintwork needs doing here. It's only the tacks that have gone through that need painting over. Rubbing strokes always take the bashing. Walking down the starboard hull at the moment. Black anti-fouling. So he's only just come out of the water. And moving down to the stern. And then looking round up to the starboard side. Around to the stern. Again, the boat hasn't had a pressure wash as yet, so everything can be cleaned up there. The classic companion way and window to the aft cabin up there. Swim ladder. And now we're moving up to the port side. Again, a little bit of paint work. The hull is GRP, of course, but it has been painted, which was painted by the previous owners. And moving again up to the bow. As I said, a very popular boat. It might be in the Mark II 1972 model. If you're interested in seeing any more of this boat, then please go to www.boatshednorfolk.com, and many thanks for watching.